Hey guys, welcome back to another fun project here at Duke Harmon's workshop. What I'm going to show you in this video is my process of how I turned 15 mushrooms. And I did it under 2 hours. If you do decide to skip ahead just to see the mushrooms, make sure you don't pass the part where I wreck my bandsaw. I have no idea how I destroyed it. Maybe you can give me a hint, but I will have to buy a new bandsaw. And I almost had to buy a new finger. Now I'm only going to be showing you bits and pieces of each mushroom that I turned. If I was going to show you every mushroom, this would have been a 2-hour video. I had an old branch that was out in the shed, and it was perfect for this project because it was beat up and cracked. So I simply just took that branch over to the bandsaw and chopped it up to different lengths. I just wanted to make sure that when I turned it, that I had a different variance in each mushroom. The wood that I'm using, I really have no idea what it is, but it did turn really nicely. The different tools that I used was a scraper, a circular carbide, a spindle gouge, and a cutoff tool. After turning 15 of these, the best method that I came up with was the scraper and the circular carbide. The cutoff tool was good too, but that only got me down to a rough shape. The circular carbide was still the best to use for all the detail work. It did help me get underneath the mushroom to help the umbrella shape. I did turn one extremely fast. It was 2 minutes and 10 seconds. I'll post that on a separate video so you can see that process. I will be showing you what I use to make these mushrooms glow later in the video. Boom! Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see all my future projects. Oh boy. Well, my bandsaw just broke, so it gives me a reason to buy a new tool. Well, since the bandsaw broke, I had to use a trusty hex saw, so I got the bottoms all off. Now I'm going to go round them off with the sander. Alright, time to paint these mushrooms, and what we're going to be using is Rust-Oleum Glow. The glow-in-the-dark paint does tell me that it can be used outside. However, it does feel very powdery when you touch it. So I finished mine off with a quick coat of polyurethane to seal it in. I'm going to be using mine as a centerpiece for my patio table out back. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I really hope you got some inspiration from this project. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see all my future projects.